What is up, you guys? Today I'm playing some Ultimate Custom Night right here. I finally found a way to record the screen. Wait till my dad hears about this. He's gonna be like, "What? Don't do that. This is awesome." He doesn't sound like that, but oh no, guys, what should I do? Let's do a couple of them on 20. Guys, I'm kind of scared, I can't lie. But okay, there's the Trash Gang. Okay. Rockstar Foxy. Let's put him on 20. Let's put Phone Guy on 20. Oh, no. Okay. Let's put... Well, I've saw Daco. Watch Daco. I know this isn't a big thing, but I just love this game. It's really fun. What else? Ooh, how about Helpy? I guess this guy. And one more. Let's get up to 2,000. What's another really character that I don't really need to worry about at all? Oh my gosh, this guy. Okay, let's do this. I think let's okay, let's do this, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm in. Oh, see? Oh, jeez, what the heck is that? Oh, the fan. Turn off the fan. Do I need to click like fan coins or something? Oh, jeez. Oh, put on my mask. What is that? Oh my gosh. Mute call. This isn't too hard, guys. What the heck? Oh my gosh, guys. What the heck? Who's that? Dee Dee? A new challenger has appeared. Who's the... Oh! Hi, Mom. I'm filming. My gosh, kids. I hate that guy. Could there be any worse character to have to the night? I'm not beating 50-20 mode. If you guys ask me to beat 50-20 mode, I'm gonna... Ah! Oh, jeez. Do you guys hear my mom? Mom, I'm making a video! Oh, jeez. What? Oh my gosh! Help me. No! Guys, I'm gonna get jump scared. Okay. Why is it always him? Let's do like power ups. Deity repel. Yeah, I don't like DD. I do not like DD. Do you guys like DD? Because I don't like DD. Do you guys like DD? Because I don't like DD. Sorry. Wait, what? What guy am I missing? Oh yeah, I'm missing these guys. I put him on 19. Okay, let's do this, guys. I guess one more match, maybe. I'm scared. Okay, come on, guys. You're just watching this on a black screen. Okay, Mom, I'm recording. Hello? Oh, finally, guys. Okay. Oh, jeez. Get out of here. Oh, turn fan off. Oh, done. Toy Chica, what are you doing here? What are you doing here, Toy Chica? Dun 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 dun. Fan turns on, off, on, off, on, off. Yeah, get out of here, Toy Bunny. So you do, that. Oh no, it jump scare. Get ready for a jump scare, guys. You're ready. Get ready. Why is it? No. Jump scare. My gosh. Oh no. Get ready when you put more characters on. Oh jeez. Chica, what are you doing here? Bam. Okay, guys. Tell me if you want more of this, because I will do more. You just gotta do bam, 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 bam. Like cry. Holy. I'm scared, guys. Holy crap. I'm scared. Oh, jeez. He's not there. Oh my gosh. No, I'm not tapping on you. You're bad. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, it's almost 5 a.m. Oh, both of them are there. What the? Okay, it goes on the ear that you're looking for. You just gotta listen very well. Oh my gosh, guys, this is creepy. Am I Daco now? Am I gonna be as good as Daco? Emily, I'm making a video. Oh jeez, right when I said that. Come on, come on. No, why did I do that? Emily, I'm making a video. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. That actually scared me. That legitimately. There's literally nothing you have to worry about. Nice to know. I used to have nightmares about this. Literally, now I'm not even scared. That's very sensitive. You have to press a lot. Don't get Get out of here, kid. Oh my gosh! We beat it. You did it. Yep. We did it. Oh my gosh, guys. We beat the knights. Oh, okay. I guess that was a pretty easy night. If you want an easy night to start out with, do all these characters, because the only character you, that can cause death are these. Right, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Okay, guys. Sorry. Subscribe if you want to see more. Like if you enjoyed this video. Like if you want to see more video games. Like what you want me to do. I might be able to do Fortnite. So yeah, and as always,